I'd like to talk about essential oils today. Essential oils are an incredibly helpful component to any healing and wellness modality and can even be incorporated into healing practices, wellness practices, including meditation and yoga. So to give a primer on essential oils, basically they're highly concentrated aromatic essences, and they come from plants that you can get extracted directly from various parts of the plant. So you can extract the essential oils from a root, a flower, fruit, leaf, and even wood. The powerful aromas of essential oils affect your mood and feelings through your sense of smell. And this can influence your mindset by choosing specific kinds of essential oils. The aromatic properties of essential oils are able to act as catalysts for change in your body and your mind. Like I mentioned earlier, that you can use essential oils in tandem with meditation and yoga. With yoga specifically, it can increase your stamina and level of relaxation and rejuvenation when you use them as part of a yogic practice. If you use essential oils with your yoga routine, they can help you visualize your movements and also help quiet your mind depending on what essential oils you use. They can also help you gain centered and focused thought, inner strength, confidence, and awareness. The ways that you can take essential oils in are usually through inhalation or through putting them on your body topically in certain areas. A few reasons you may want to introduce essential oils into your healthy wellness practices are in order to calm the mind, body, and spirit before you practice or at the end of the practice. You can also use them to open and deepen your breathing. And as you probably know, if you do meditation or yoga on a regular basis, breath is extremely important to the practices. So let's just dive right into it and look at what essential oils can balance your primary energy centers, also known as chakras. So we're going to start at the root center, which is called the Muladhara in Sanskrit. This one is a vortex located at the base of the spine, and I would suggest the essential oils of ginger and patchouli for this one. This is because the base chakra is concerned with how grounded you are and how good your connection with the earth is. Any essential oils that are grounding and earth connecting are appropriate for the base chakra. So what you're looking for here is a focus, stabilization, and earth connecting benefit from the essential oil that you're using. So as I mentioned earlier, you could either take a drop, dab it on the location of the center, or you can just inhale the smell straight out of the bottle. Next is the sacral chakra, or the Swadhisthana. This is located where your lower abdomen is, and the oils that I would suggest are sandalwood, cedarwood, and geranium. The sacral center represents your creative energy, your sensual emotions, and your sexuality. Any essential oils that are stabilizing and warming would be appropriate for this center. So the geranium, sandalwood, and cedarwood are all especially effective. The next center up would be the solar plexus chakra, or the Manipura. For this one, it's, like the name says, located at your solar plexus, which is midway between the navel and the base of the sternum. The oils that I would suggest here are myrrh, frankincense, balsam fir, and lemon. The solar plexus center is concerned with personal power and control, as well as what it means to be a unique individual in this world and how you make connections to others. Any essential oils that are protecting, balancing, and purifying are appropriate for this center. Moving right up from there, we have the heart chakra or the anahata. This center is located right in the center of your chest, overlaying your heart. The essential oils that I would recommend for this one are eucalyptus, rosemary, peppermint, and tea tree. The heart center is concerned with your sympathetic and harmonious coexistence of body and spirit. Any essential oils that are purifying and awakening are appropriate for this center. Next, we have the throat chakra or Vishuddha. This center is located in the throat at the base of the neck. The essential oils that I would suggest here to use are lavender, rosewood, and chamomile. The throat center is concerned with meaningful communication and self-expression. It's also a center of will. Any essential oils that are calming and relaxing are appropriate for this center. Next from there we have the third eye chakra or the ajna. This center is located between the eyebrows. The essential oils you'd want to use on this one and for this one are bergamot, orange, and vanilla. The third eye center is concerned with your intuition, wisdom, and focusing on your inner spiritual development. Any essential oils that aid concentration, insight, and intuition are appropriate. Finally, rounding out the 7 centers, we have the crown chakra, the Sahasrara. This one is located at the top of your head, right at the crown, like the name says. The essential oils that I would suggest for this one are jasmine, lang lang, and rose. The crown center is concerned with your spiritual quest for enlightenment and awakening. Any essential oils that are strengthening and correct energy imbalances within you are appropriate to use here. These are just some examples of the essential oils you can use to target specific energy centers in your body. But there's many more that you can use, and personally I use a whole variety. So look up other essential oils that can be used for whatever it is that you're looking for. You'll discover that through aromatherapy, there is so much that can be done to elevate your experiences that you already have from meditation techniques, from yogic techniques, and breathing techniques. To round out this video, I want to provide you with some ways to apply these oils. If you're going to apply these oils in a massage, for example, generally speaking, you can take 12 drops of the essential oil and dilute them in 1 ounce of a carrier oil. Personally, I recommend jojoba oil to be your primary essential oil carrier oil. This is because that oil really closely resembles your own skin's natural emollients. Jojoba contains proteins, liquid waxes, and unique fatty acids, and for people who have sensitive skin, it's especially a good option to get over something like coconut oil. Other oils that are good to use with essential oils as a carrier oil are avocado, grapeseed, and almond. So if you want to use essential oils in a bath, which is a very relaxing experience, you can take 30 drops and just put them right into the tub of water and mix it around before you get in. A word of warning here, if you take an oil such as eucalyptus or peppermint, it may be a little too intense for you if you put it right in the tub. So practice with something like lavender oil to start with. If you want to create a body mist where you put essential oil in a spray bottle and just kind of mist yourself, take 48 drops of an essential oil and put them into 4 ounces of water and put them in a misting bottle. If you want to create a spray to be spraying around in an entire room in order to manipulate the energy and enhance it, I would suggest taking 72 drops of an oil and putting them in 4 ounces of water. So it's a little thicker concentration of the oil than you had in your body mist. given how much larger of a space you're working with. And finally, if you want to use essential oils in an essential oil diffuser, I would suggest putting 18 drops of an oil into the essential oil diffuser. And depending on what diffuser you have, it'll tell you how much water to put into it. Obviously, the more water you put into it, the longer the diffuser will go. So I would say experiment with this, see how strong you need to have it, how concentrated you need to have it. Depending on how large your room is, you may have to adjust how much you're putting in. But in general, 18 drops should be enough. Hopefully this has been a help to you in order to learn how essential oils can be used to enhance your meditation experience, your yoga experience, or even just help you just relax in the bathtub or in your room when you're laying down on the couch. In this day and age, we have so many incredibly helpful tools at our disposal that can just take our experience in life in general, take our spiritual practice to the next level.